Instead of a basic roast chicken, try this spatchcock chicken with orange glaze. Hey, I'm Chef Kyle from Kyle's Creations, here to make simple and healthy recipes for everyday living. If you're new now and you love to get creative with Kyle's Creations, click that subscribe button and let's get started. Spatchcock chicken basically means we're going to take out the backbone. The chicken's going to open up, it's going to be flat, and it's going to cook more evenly and also cook in less time. So this is perfect if you're on the go. And if you struggle with cooking a roast chicken, it's a much easier way and foolproof method to still get a wonderful roast chicken. There's oysters right here, so I'm making sure not to ruin that. Make a small incision there. You can see, take some paper towel, get the inside of the chicken now nice and dry. Flip the bird over, apply a little bit of pressure. Yeah. Okay, so I'm going to remove the wishbone now along both sides. It didn't come out all at once. So before we do the seasoning, put a few slits. Slit right here. Some garlic in there. And 1 clove. Same on this side. Here. Garlic in there. And add a clove there too. Now we're going to do the seasoning. 2 tablespoons of salt, 1 tablespoon of ground coriander, 1/4 teaspoon of white pepper, 1/4 teaspoon of ground ginger, 1 tablespoon of garlic powder, 1/4 teaspoon of baking soda. It's going to make the chicken more moist and also help the skin firm up. And 1 tablespoon finally of paprika. Mix this together. My own blend to dry brine this whole chicken. Now we're going to season the bird. Flip this over and season the other side. So we're going to season this a day before. If you don't have time, you could season an hour before you cook this. It's going to cure the outside of the chicken to remove excess moisture from the skin. We're going to get going by adding citrus component to this. Zest 1 whole orange. Rub that into the skin. Same with the lime zest. Now this is going in the fridge for 1 day or 1 hour if you have less time. Right now we have butter. Make sure it's room temperature. Some wonderful thyme. I'm going to take this bunch over here. And that'll be for the vegetables. And the rest of this, we're just going to take it off stem. Give this a quick chop. Add a little bit of olive oil so it can stay green. And I'm going to take some parsley that I've already picked. Roll that up. And some fresh oregano. And if you can't find fresh oregano, you can always use some dried oregano. Add some more extra virgin olive oil to this. Tuck the wing tips in so it doesn't burn. We're just going to do this on top. There you go. So right here I have all my vegetables that I'm going to put on the bottom. Even with the butter, the skin has tightened up. There's less moisture on there other than the extra virgin olive oil and the butter being added to this. And I have some loose carrots here. I have the tops of the carrots too. Add half of this. 2 bay leaf. 3 actually. Take an inch of fresh ginger. 3 slices right in there. Some olive oil. A little bit of salt. Throw in some thyme right in there. Might as well use up the oregano. And I have 8 cloves of garlic here. Just gonna smash it. Leave some oils, throw that in. This rack is going on top. Chicken's going right on top. Now this is going in our 425 degree oven for 1 hour. Vegetable stock to the bottom. Now for the orange glaze, squeeze 1 full orange. Let this reduce by half. Lower the heat. Add a tablespoon of Worcestershire sauce and add some honey to this. 1.5 tablespoons. This is a very nice, easy, and simple glaze. I don't want to go any further because it's going to dry out. I'm going to shut that off. Add some of the chopped carrot tops on top. Lower the oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit and brush the roasted chicken with the orange glaze and put this back in the oven for 25 to 30 minutes. Perfect spatchcock chicken for any occasion, holiday. Even if you're cooking by yourself, you'll have a whole chicken to portion out for 3 to 4 meals. Alright, so I'm now reducing the sauce. Or if you decide to roast some potatoes, you could throw in some potatoes. So reduce this until it is a little bit thick. And you could use that as a pouring sauce for the vegetables. Alright, here's all the vegetables. Look how juicy that is. So I let it rest for 10 minutes, and as you see, there's no wishbone in there. Feel around the bone. Look at that. I don't want to cut this too thin because it's going to get cold really fast. Final touch, add that wonderful sauce that we reduced. Here guys, take a look. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. As always, it helps me create more wonderful, delicious recipes for you guys to make. This reminds me of 2 other videos that are perfect for family gatherings, holidays, and even for meal prep. And one is a roasted leg of lamb with a wonderful coconut marinade. I'm not going to spoil it, so check out that video to find out more. And the second video I have is a different type of roasted chicken. I teach you how to roast a whole chicken, but this time we didn't spatchcock it. We tied it up, add some wonderful herbs to it, and we served it with a delicious salad. So enjoy and stay tuned for my next episode. Take care.